Haltwhistle Railway Station lies on the Tyne Valley line between Newcastle and Carlisle via Hexham. The station was opened by the Newcastle and Carlisle Railway in 1838. In 1852 it became a junction, with the Newcastle and Carlisle opening its Alston Branch. The Alston Branch never reached its full potential, and despite surviving beaching, it was closed in 1976. The bay platform still remains, although without any track. The track layout was greatly simplified at the time. However, the engineering base still survives with a single siding. Like many of the other stations of the line, it became an unstaffed halt in 1967. A signal box still survives. However, this was opened in 1901 by the North Eastern Railway and ceased to be used when the semaphore was replaced by colour lights in 1993. It still contains the mechanical point and signal levers. A small portakabin just to the west of the water tower contains control systems for the colour light signals. Haltwhistle prides itself as being at the geographical centre of the British Isles. The wooden shelters and the water tank still survive, as does the water crane. The water tank building has been converted into a cafe. In 2020, an extensive refurbishment took place of the various buildings. The line sees a roughly train every half hour in each direction. Passenger usage of the station stood at 81,000 in 2019-20 and recovered by 2022-23 to 77,000. Mill is the first station of the line towards Newcastle, and Brampton is the first station of the line towards Carlisle. Following the closure of the standard gauge Alston Branch, an unsuccessful attempt was made to reopen it as a standard gauge railway. However, a line has been reopened in narrow gauge, 2-foot gauge, running from Alston to Slaggerford via Gilderdale, Kirkhall and Lintley Halt.